captured the minivet bird. So here you can see the scaly breasted munia just entering the nest. Scaly breasted munia, different type of birds. This is just entering the nest. Yes, it has entered. Here you can see the scaly breasted munia entering the nest. He has built a very magnificent nest. Male and female both together have been captured here. Two little scaly breasted munias. So there he enters the nest, you can see, and they are really nice birds. So they build a very nice nest. You can see the third bird at the bottom together. Very nice. Scaly breasted munia types. So these birds are small birds, light brown with a black beak, lightish brown, and they have started the nesting season. And as you can see, they are trying to build the nest now near my house. Very nice one. So these birds are actually going into extinction, but it's very nice that we are spotting them. Very nice birds. Scaly breasted munia types, minivet birds, ready to build the nest. There he enters, and it is building its nest. Very nice to spot them. The third one also enters, you can see. So slowly they enter and they are just building the nest. Very nice. So do like and subscribe on Travel Pradesh and keep watching for more videos. Thanks for watching. Scaly breasted munia.